If you don't like coconut cake, then maybe, just maybe, this recipe will change your mind. It's easy to make and brimming with delicious coconut flavor. All the ingredients are listed in the description below. In one bowl, mix your self-raising flour, baking soda, and icing sugar. Then add full-fat coconut milk that has been mixed with apple cider vinegar. I recommend melted extra virgin coconut oil, but you can also use sunflower oil. For flavor, add vanilla extract and coconut essence, then a generous amount of desiccated coconut, which will give our fluffy sponge some much-needed texture. Once thoroughly mixed and well combined, pour into a lined or lightly greased baking tin. I'm using a 7-inch tin to give it some height, and bake in the center of a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Once baked, allow it to cool completely, then decorate as you like. I went for a simple ice and sugar glaze, which I made by combining ice and sugar with coconut milk. Then I sprinkled on some more desiccated coconut. For a more intense coconut taste, you can toast the coconut before sprinkling it on. Let's cut into the cake and see what it looks like on the inside. Just look at how inviting this cake looks. The crumb is simultaneously moist and fluffy, and no eggs, butter, or dairy are needed. The coconut flavors really shine through, and the desiccated coconut in the batter gives it a tender, melt-in-the-mouth quality. Be sure to save this recipe for your next baking project, and let me know in the comments below if you'll be trying it out. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. I post a new video every week. See you next time. Bye.